Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to convert an MT4 indicator to MT5 customer's indicator. Now, if the indicator is complex, you're not an experienced MQL5 programmer, oftentimes it's more efficient, to come to the MQL5.com website, click here on freelance, and then click here on converting, You'll see a lot of different, new postings that keep going on. Just open these up in a new tab. As you can see, different prices ranging from $30 to even $100 more. And you can put in your applications right here, But you need to know the programming. So here in the same website, you can click here on documentation, and you can learn everything about the program, because when you are moving from MQL4 to MQL5, it is a different programming language. So you need to understand it. You need to search the MQL5 code base, check if there's a similar indicator or maybe the exact indicator. Has it been converted already? In the same website, you can find a lot of information like scripts, things like that. And if it has been shared by the MQL5 community, just check in the community. Otherwise, you might need to hire a professional MQL5 developer through the freelancing service, especially for complex indicators. Otherwise, if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.